DMO.
What is up, y'all? Rich Homie Caller back again with another banger video. I just want to appreciate everybody for watching. I'm out here on a nice, beautiful September evening. It's still summer, but it is getting a little bit cooler. I wanted to make a video of a cool mod that I usually don't see a lot of people doing, but it's a great way to spice up the car as well as protect the car. And I'm talking about these car door sills. The purpose of this is to protect the paint that's on your door sill here, because usually this sees a lot of foot traffic where you're always opening the door, you are lifting your foot over, so there's always debris here, or your feet actually touches here, and this can get easily scratched up, and this is still your paint. So I kind of wish Dodge did something out of the factory. I don't think there's an option, or there may be an option for a metal door sill cover here, but usually with a cheap solution like this, you can put this over here and you don't have to deal with any of the dirt or the scratches that build up here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start installing. So I think this would add a nice touch to the interior of the car. It won't look as bland, and there's a lot of like black happening here. With the nice red and yellow accents, they'll hopefully stick out. But basically you got two sills for the front doors here and here, and then these two, the smaller ones, are for the rear doors, and of course the sills for the door are smaller. So the method of installation today, we're going to be doing more of a dry method, so we're not going to be wetting the under the adhesive, because we know where we're going to place this. The reason why you want to wet the adhesive under here is just in case you don't know the placement, you can just move it back and forth. But for me, I'm gonna use this as a judge on where I'm gonna put my door sill. The materials you're gonna need, pretty simple: scissors to basically cut here and here, just to divide the sheets up. You're gonna need microfiber cloth to clean up the area, as well as some isopropyl alcohol. So without further ado, we're gonna do this quick install before the sun goes ahead and sets. So let's get into it. All right, so starting with the first door, all we're gonna do is just clean this up. Microfiber cloth, towel. This spot is pretty clean of like dirt. But there's still a lot of dust that we want to get rid of. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna line up the end or the edge of this actual plastic piece to the corner of the decal, where this corner actually starts, and this will be a good middle ground. And I forgot to mention, you're gonna need some kind of squeegee or card. This is not a difficult decal to work with, so you can just go ahead and peel it and just stick it on. And you don't want it too close along the edge here, just in case if the door will clip and may lift up. So you want like a nice little lip from the end of the decal to the actual door sill here. So not too bad. So basically, once you open the door, it looks like that. And yeah, that looks really nice. Much better than just opening it and just seeing plain black. So one down, 3 more to go. All right, door number 2. This is the front passenger door. I already cleaned it up and prepped the surface. And I'm just gonna basically have the edge of this plastic piece meet with the corner. install. And this one, I mean, barely had any bubbles up here, so, and that was a pretty smooth process. So 2 down, that's what it looks like. Open up the door, looks good. So now I'm gonna install the 2 rear doors and we should be done. All right, so with the rear door, it's a little bit tough because there's no exact point or like a good indicator on where I want to put it. I don't want to, you know, match the end of this with this, so it look kind of weird. Kind of want to start it inside the middle here. And I think the point of reference I'm going to use is basically, you know, where before it starts curving, I'm just gonna give a straight line to here. I'm probably just gonna use a ruler, just make sure I match it with this, and that should be a good point. So let's go ahead and get it installed. Pretty simple install, no bubbles with this at all. So that's why, you know, I don't want to use the wet method where you have like soapy water under here, just because I have a good guiding point where I want to put this. Last but not least, I'm gonna put in the other passenger door, or the other rear door, and we should be good to go. Remember, just make sure you have a nice lip from the end of the sticker to the edge of the door sill, just so, you know, when you're opening and closing the door, this doesn't, you know, get lifted. But, you know, pretty awesome, and this looks good. So when you open the door, rear door looks like that, and you open the front doors, looks like that. So that looks good.
DJ DMO.
So yeah, y'all, it has been a different day. It's not nighttime anymore, so I can finally show you what the product looks like in the light. And it actually rained like 30 minutes after I installed it, so I definitely avoided you know, getting wet and my car getting wet and all that. But let me show you, it looks really good, and I didn't see any bubbles so far, so let's take a closer look. Yeah, like I said, so it did rain last night, so you see all the water drops here. There was a whole bunch of water on the lip here, but this did great. It did not peel off or peel up or anything. No bubbles, air bubbles that I can see, and it looks good. Definitely completes the interior look, and looks much better than just having, you know, the gloss black. And of course, you can protect your paint. And this is what the rear looks like. So that's what the rear looks like, and it looks good. This is the rear on the driver's side. And going for a closer look, I mean, that looks great. See that? Yeah, yo, I love this, and you know, it definitely adds a nice look to the interior, especially, you know, once you're entering in. I mean, you know, making this a nice place to be in. Yeah, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was a pretty simple installation to do. You can do it one of 2 ways. You can either do the way that I did it, or if you really want to be precise, you can do it the wet method, where you actually put like the soapy water under the actual adhesive, and then you can, you know, maneuver it around and squeegee it after. But for my purposes, I knew where I wanted it to be, and you know, I cleaned off the surface well enough so it would actually stick. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Let me know what other mods y'all want me to do in the comments below, and I appreciate everybody for following me on this journey to make the Scat Pack. You know, to upgrade it and make the scat pack look unbelievable. So I mean, it's like, you know, little mods here and there. It's mostly cosmetic mods too, so let me know what other performance mods you want me to do. Like once I get larger on YouTube, like I'm definitely gonna, you know, do some more of those crazy mods. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all smash the like button, hit the subscribe, notification bell, and all that, and I'll catch y'all next time. This is Rich Homie Cal signing out. Alright, so the moment everybody's been waiting for, it is giveaway time. So I apologize for uploading this video a little late. I said I would upload it Monday, but it's currently Tuesday now, and I'm probably gonna upload it Wednesday. I've been super busy at my job so far, plus the screen capture on my computer is not working at all, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way and just have the camera face the laptop and just record it right there. It's probably gonna be bad quality footage, but hey, you know, y'all need to know the giveaway winners. Y'all been hitting me up, so I apologize. Time to do that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to a number generator website and type in the maximum number of comments that I received in my last video, which was I think over 100. So I appreciate everybody for commenting, and you know, once I do that, whatever number it spits out, I'll just scroll that number of places, and whatever comment it lands on, you're gonna be the winner. So there's gonna be 2 winners, and both are gonna win $25 Amazon gift cards. So hope y'all enjoyed that, and let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so I am on my YouTube studio on this video, and here are all the comments on this video. A total of 83 individual comments, not counting my comments, any of my replies, and not counting any duplicates. So, you know, pretty awesome amount of entries here. So I appreciate everybody for, you know, commenting and showing support. And yeah, let's go ahead and do the giveaway. So I'm on this random number generator site, and all I'm gonna do is just click generate. I already had a lower limit, which is 1 and 83. So we're gonna go ahead and click generate. So comment number 35. And all I'm gonna do is just start from the bottom and count all the way to 35. So definitely a long, strenuous process. So let's go ahead. Starting with number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this is a duplicate, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, these 2 are mine, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, another duplicate, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Cal Lim. So congratulations to Callan for the winner on number 1. His comment was, I would save up the money till the original tires are worn out before spending some serious cash on new tires. Which is true. I mentioned the Etoros on these tires, which are pretty expensive now, but you know, if you haven't watched this video on the top mods to do under $300, definitely click the link on the top right. But Cal Lim, definitely reach out to me, just comment on this video, and then, you know, hit me up on Instagram or anything like that, on how, and then we can definitely figure out how we can do this Amazon. But yep, Cal Lim is the first winner. So let me go ahead and generate the second number here. Here we go. Number 9, a nice low number this time. So I'll bring this over here. And once again, I'm going to start 9 from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Aubrey Jeffries, you are the second winner. And their comment was, congratulations, I got some mod ideas. LOL, hope I win the gift card. Well, there you go. Your comment manifested this, so you are the winner, a second winner of the Amazon $25 gift card. So congratulations, Aubrey. So definitely comment on this video, and then, you know, we'll figure out how we can do the Amazon logistics. All right, so I appreciate all of y'all for commenting. This is a weird angle. I'm just on my table. It's pretty late at night, and I still got some work to do, but I appreciate every one of y'all for commenting, and congratulations to Cal Lim and Aubrey Jeffries. Definitely comment on this video, and if there's no comments or redemption for them in a week, then I'll try to decide another winner on the next video. But I appreciate everybody for watching, and yeah, once we get up to 3K, 4K subscribers, I'll try to do another giveaway. So I appreciate all of y'all. I'm already at 2,100, so that's awesome. So more videos coming soon, and yeah, y'all, this is Rich Homie Cal. Make sure everyone have a good night. I'll catch y'all later.